Today, I'm going to take you on a journey into my laundry room, and I'm going to share with you how I do my laundry in a natural way and in what tools and resources I use to keep my laundry clean and to get out Georgia clay from our laundry without using a lot of chemicals, additives, or ingredients that are very harmful to our body. In a recent shopping haul video, I showcased one of my preferred laundry detergents, and I had so many of you inquire about what do I usually use, what type of laundry detergent do I use, how do I do my laundry, how do I keep our laundry clean without using a lot of harsh ingredients. And having a toddler who's running around in Georgia clay outside, it gets very challenging. So today's video, I'm going to take you into my laundry room and show you what resources I use to keep my laundry healthy, clean, and free of a lot of chemicals and harsh ingredients. Let's go. Thanks for joining me in my laundry adventures. I try very diligently to keep our household and our laundry toxic free. I want to thank my friends at EnviroKlenz who are sponsors of our video today. I love their products, as you can tell, and all of their cleaning supplies, and they're so easy to order online. And because you guys are followers of mine, they've given us a special discount code. I hope you'll check them out and use this code below, NHR15, where you can get 15% off any of your purchases with them. Thanks everybody. I will see you on our next video.